Make the ground shake.
On our previous vlog, I have mentioned about Alexa. If you're a domain investor, I think this is a useful tool that you should check out. You can download the extension for free if you're using Google Chrome as a browser. I believe they also support other browsers as well. So it might help you understand the traffic and the global rank of the websites on the web. So when you enter the site, go below of the page and here you will see Get the Extension. Click the Get the Extension tab, and from here all you need to do is click this, Install Alexa Browser Extension. It will download fast, and once you have the extension, you will see it right here on the right top of your browser. Once you click it, you will start to see the global rank and the local rank of the websites that you are visiting. So let's check some websites and see their ranking on the web. Here is Google. It is number one in global and number one in United States. Let's see YouTube. Well, on YouTube is ranked the second most visited website in the world. Let's see Name Pros. They're ranking pretty well. They have a global ranking of 44,000 and in United States particularly it's 32,000. It's really good. So basically this is how it works, and I suggest you to have this extension on your browser, so it will give you a general idea about websites. And if you're a domain investor, I think this is an important indicator for you, so you can understand the market very well.